Hello. Okay. I can see you now. Everything okay? Yes. Okay. All right. So where did we start? Okay. I did not hear you anymore. So again, can you tell me what is Goku's favorite hobby again? I wasn't able to hear you. What his favorite hobby be?
First update is
Based on the book that you have read. What is Goku's favorite hobby?
ano,
What do you think? He loves doing. I think he loves eating, right?
no, I don't know.
Or favorite pastime of Goku? Can you think about it? I think his favorite hobby is training, right? Training fight, right, B? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, um, Goku's favorite hobby is to train. Okay, this one. What is Goku's favorite sport based on the book that you have read? B. What is Goku's favorite sport?
That is training.
Training, exactly. So still martial arts, right? Okay, B. Can you say martial arts? Like
I don't
fighting.
know martial arts.
Martial arts is fighting sport. Just like what Son Goku is doing, right? Okay. All right, this one, B. Can Goku fly?
Yes, he can.
He can fly. Can he fly or there's a cloud?
Can fly with clown.
Yeah, because of his tail, right? Is that right? But there's a flying cloud. This one, right? Flying nimbus. The cloud. You see the cloud beneath the feet of Dragon Goku? Do you see that cloud? Yes. Okay, very good. If you can fly, would you like to fly? B. Would you like to fly if you can fly?
I don't know.
You don't want to fly?
Yes.
Why? Why don't you like to fly? Are you afraid? Are you scared to fly?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say, I'm afraid to fly?
I'm afraid to fly.
Okay, so that's why you don't want to fly. Okay, this one. Does Goku have any enemies? B. Enemies.
I don't know enemies.
How many enemies does Goku have?
I don't know enemies.
You don't know enemies. Enemies are, for example, Majin Buu, who hates Goku. So enemies are people who hates
Sure.
Goku or harmful people,
Ano?
dangerous people.
I don't know.
You don't know? How about Cell? Cell is Goku's enemy, right? Hating people, dangerous people. Okay, that is the meaning of enemies. Look at the chat box, B. Bad people, hating people, dangerous people. So who are Goku's enemies?
The enemy.
Yeah. Who are Goku's enemies?
Cell. Cell.
Cell, correct. Who else? Can you think of other enemies of Goku?
I don't know.
Only
It's
Cell.
Cell.
Only Cell. There's one character, I forgot his name. But yeah, maybe he is Cell. How about Majin Buu? Do you know Majin Buu?
I don't know Manjimbo.
Ah, not yet. Okay, so just Cell. Okay, very good. Okay, next question about Son Goku. Okay, so B, why do you think people like Goku?
It's Chichi.
Chi likes Goku, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but why? Why do you think Chi likes Goku? Because
Because Chichi, uh, Chichi,
Chi is
like Goku. I don't know. Because
okay, so Chi likes Goku. Okay, look at this one, B. Why do you think people, so not only Chi, like the friends, why do you think friends like Goku?
I don't know why.
Is Goku a good person? Is Goku a good person? Okay, okay. All right, there, B. I lost you again. So, okay, again, is Goku a good person?
Goku not person.
So Goku is, yes, B. Goku is,
Uh, Goku. I don't know.
okay, you can say because Goku is a friendly and kind guy, right? Can you read that for me, B? Because Goku is a friendly and kind guy.
Goku is dandy and can fly.
Correct. So he is a friendly and kind guy. Okay. So what is Goku's favorite animal, B? So what is
Like fish.
fish and
Big fish. Big
the big
fish.
fish? Okay. Okay, the big fish. How
The
about
big
the
fish is
dragon?
the big fish is fruit. The fruit of Goku.
Okay. So does Goku have the dragon? Do you know the dragon?
No.
The dra
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. The dragon that holds the Dragon Ball, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Very good. So those are Goku's facts. Okay. All right. Next question about Goku. So does Goku have a family, B?
Oh.
No. How about Chi Chi? Chi-Chi and their son.
Chichi and Chichi and Song.
Chi-Chi and their sons, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Goku has a family. Okay. So what is Goku's favorite color? Chi, based on the book.
I don't know. Goku no don't like color.
Do you think Goku likes orange color? Right? So maybe orange color, right, B? Okay. Can you say, I think Goku likes orange?
Goku like orange.
Okay, very good. Next question. So B, do you want to be like Goku? Why or why not? Do you want to be like Goku?
Yes, I like.
Very good. Can you say, I want to be like Goku?
Like Goku. I
Why?
want
Why?
to be like I want to be like Goku.
Correct. And why do you want to be like Goku? Why? Because,
Because Goku has many 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 Super Saiyan and
okay,
Chong.
because Goku has, can you say, because Goku has Super Saiyan powers and he is strong. Okay.
Because Goku has Super Saiyan power and he is strong.
Okay, very good. Yay, good job, B. So, we already talked about Son Goku. Okay. All right, this one, B. What is Goku's motivation for fighting?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I will translate that to your language. Okay. Look at the chat box, B. All right. So, what is Goku's motivation for fighting?
Uh, is fruit. Fruit.
His fruit?
Yes.
What do you mean fruit? Like this?
No.
What's the
No.
word again? Friend? Did you say friend?
A fruit.
Fruit. Okay. Can you type it for me, B? Can you type it for me? The word?
Food.
Ah, Food. Food. Right? Okay. So that is Goku's motivation for fighting, which is food, right? Okay. So why food?
Food.
Mm-hmm. Why food is Goku's motivation for fighting? Okay, I'll type. Look at the chat box, B. So why food?
Goku is like fruit. Like
Okay.
like meat.
Because Goku
Meat.
likes meats so much, right? Okay. So B, can you say because Goku likes meat so much?
So so much.
Okay, very good. Okay, last question about Goku B. How does Goku train to become stronger?
Training.
Mm-hmm. Does he train all the time? Does he train all the time, B? Yes. Hello, B? Okay. All right. So, B, are you still there? Okay. Anyways, B, if you are hearing me right now, I'm not sure because your camera stopped again. All right. Anyways, you did a great job, B. Super job. I'll see you again soon. Okay, thank you. Thanks, B. See you, see you. Bye-bye.